We all want success fast, quick results, instant change. In a world that moves at lightning speed, we're conditioned to expect everything now. We see the highlight reels, the overnight triumphs, and we think, why not me? Why not today? But real success takes time. True, lasting success isn't a sprint, it's a journey through seasons. Every season has a purpose. Spring is for planting, learning new skills, gathering knowledge and setting intentions. Summer is for cultivation. It's the hard work, the daily grind, the consistent effort under the sun that strengthens your resolve and nurtures your goals. Then comes autumn, the season of harvest, where you finally reap the rewards of your dedication. You can't harvest in spring or plant in winter. Even winter has its role, a time for rest, reflection, and building resilience in the quiet dark. So if you feel stuck, remember, you're not late. You're in your season of preparation. The waiting season isn't wasted time. It's where your roots grow deeper, creating a foundation strong enough to support future growth. Each small action compounds. Trust this phase. Stay patient and consistent. Don't rush the process. Your timing is coming. Your harvest is on the horizon.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.